3 years ago, we launched our first product on Kickstarter. We were successfully funded, and thanks to our backers, we have now shipped 10,000 units. At Botanium, we are passionate about creating products that simplifies urban gardening. We want everyone to be able to grow their own indoor garden, green thumbs or not. We are excited to now be back on Kickstarter with our most capable product yet. We call it the Botanium Vega.
We have listened to a lot of user feedback and have been testing new ways to make it easier
to grow your own herbs and vegetables at home.
Botanium Vega automatically waters your plants for you, and the water level is clearly displayed at the front. You can also keep track of your Vega in the Botanium app, so you never forget to refill it.
In every step of the growing process, we want to have your back.
In Vega, you can grow up to 4 plants. Instead of soil, they grow in a porous growing medium that makes it possible to water them several times per day. This is how to get started. Add the growing medium and plant the seeds. Fill the water reservoir and add the included nutrients. Botanium will now take care of the plant for you.
People want to know what they eat. It's so enjoyable to have it straight in your kitchen, always fresh. Botanium Vega features a built-in growing light that you can adjust in height as the plants are growing. You can also schedule when you want the light to be turned on and off. Rasmus, what do you say is our vision of Botanium?
Our vision is to bring out the farmer in everyone, that expert grower inside you.
With the Botanium Vega, you will be a better person.
So to make this product a reality, we once again need your help. Please support us here on Kickstarter.
Let's make the Botanium Vega happen together.